got another toddler approved recipe for you. We're making my 10-minute mushroom risotto. The perfect risotto. Today we're making a family favorite, my 10-minute mushroom risotto. From my husband to my toddler, everyone loves it and it's so easy to make. And often when we think of risottos, we think of 30 minutes on the stove, stirring away. And these days I don't have time like that. And this recipe gives you a perfect creamy risotto with the right amount of bite, and the flavor of mushroom permeates it beautifully without all the fuss and the muss. So the very first thing that I'm gonna do is set my Instant Pot to saute mode. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of butter and olive oil, and now we're gonna go in with our aromatics. Some onions, celery, carrots, as well as some thyme, and we're gonna saute them off until they're translucent and soft. Next, I'm gonna add in some sliced cremini mushrooms and saute them off until they're soft. Now let's talk rice. Typically for risotto, there are two rices that you want to use, either arborio or carnaroli. I'm using carnaroli today, but let me tell you, in the past when I haven't had either of these rices, I've just gone in with long grain rice and it's worked out really great. So use whatever you have. So in goes the rice, and I'm just gonna coat it with all the butter and the oil in the pan. Next, we're gonna add in a bit of liquid to get the risotto going. Now you have a few options here. If you wanna make it vegetarian, go in with vegetable stock, but I'm using chicken broth today, which I think has amazing flavor. So that's gonna go in, and I'm gonna season it up with some kosher salt and black pepper and give it a nice stir. At this point, I'm gonna put the lid on the Instant Pot and set it to pressure cook on high for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll release the pressure manually and allow it to completely escape. I'll open the pot and look at that. It's so unctuous and creamy. At this point, I'll grate in some fresh Parmesan and give that another stir. And just like that, our easy 10-minute mushroom risotto is ready. Hot out of the pot, 10 minutes later, mushroom risotto. Who would have ever thought? Let's give it a taste. Oh, nice big spoonful. Look at those chunks of mushrooms. It's delicious. It's comforting, it's unctuous, it's creamy. The perfect risotto. I love the intense mushroomy flavor of this risotto, and the mushrooms themselves take on this beautiful silky texture, and with the creamy rice, the Parmesan, that bit of thyme, it just sets everything off. This is my easy 10-minute mushroom risotto, perfect for toddlers or anyone in your life. It's such an easygoing meal. I hope you try it soon.